Hey guys, it's Kelly, and today I'm doing this really easy, but looks, okay. The best kind of makeup looks are the ones that look like they're hard, but they're actually really easy to do. This is just a prom makeup look. I see so many cut creases for prom, so I want to do a halo eye because I feel like it's like the best thing for prom, in my opinion. And yes, I'm wearing my little Christmas shirt, because I'm obsessed with Christmas. So you guys, video, big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more, and yeah. Let's go with the video.
So first up, I'm doing my brows using this Ulta brow powder. I find for prom, not many people do like a bold brow like I normally do. So I wanted kind of a softer brow, so I used a brow powder instead of a pomade. Now for the eyes, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, going into a transition shade and putting that in my crease. And then I am going into henna and cocoa, mixing them together. And since we are doing a halo eye, I'm putting it in the inner corners and in the crease. Now I'm taking the shade Boss and putting it in the crease and inner corners once again. Cleaning up with the Too Faced Born This concealer, I'm taking the shade Trust Fund, which I'll need, and putting that in the middle and blending out with a brush. Now for eyeliner, I tried doing gel eyeliner. I'm sorry, I'm not the best. Then I'm taking henna and putting it underneath my eye. For primer, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Balm, which is amazing. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty foundation and just applying it all over my face. This is my everyday foundation. When you want full coverage, you're going to go for the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer because that is just an essential. Before I set my face to make sure everything doesn't crease, I like to let my foundation dry. So I contour first and then I go on and set my face. Now moving on, I am going into highlighter, starting off with Anastasia Amrezy and then going into Sephora. Then I am going into the Anastasia Liquid Lipstick and Catnip, and there you go.
So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry that this is a little late in prom season, but I'm working on it. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye! I feel like I should talk like Kylie Jenner with this makeup. Hey guys, so this is my prom glam. I am so excited. So excited. So excited. I'm sorry, I love Kylie. I love Kylie.